Hey everyone, in today's video we're checking out Hyprland versus KDE, two popular desktop environments for Linux users. If you've ever wondered which one's better for you, let's break it down real quick. First up is KDE Plasma. It's known for being feature-packed, customizable, and beginner-friendly. You get everything out of the box: menus, panels, widgets, system settings, and it looks super polished. The downside, it can use more system resources, so it's not the lightest option. On the other hand, Hyprland is a Wayland compositor focused on performance and eye candy with smooth animations. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for people who like to tweak their setup and don't mind editing config files. But it's not beginner friendly, setup takes more effort. So if you want something ready to go and user-friendly, go with KDE Plasma. But if you love customization, minimalism, and speed, try Hyprland. Both are awesome, it just depends on your style. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tips.